Every day, people make themselves liable to pay capital gains taxes when they're selling investment real estate. Ladies and gentlemen, don't be one of them. You could be deferring those capital gains taxes and keeping them out of the wrong hands, and you know what I mean. You have better uses for that money. You can buy a bigger, better replacement property that will earn you more income and eventually sell for a larger profit. Over time and successive 1031 exchanges, you could see your wealth expand exponentially. It's the best remaining tax shelter available to investors. You should know more about 1031 exchanges. Haven Exchange has 44 years of combined experience in their senior staff. They are reliable, honest, extremely knowledgeable, and available to speak with you. Go to our website. You will find tons of information as well as more videos. Please call us toll-free at 866-794-1031 or visit havenexchange.com to learn more about deferring capital gains taxes.